On the second day of Christmas, I give my iPad tip. Read back the content from the website.
In today's tip, we're going to look at the website that we had in the last tip where there was no distractions in Reader View, and we're going to look at how the iPad can read back this text. So this is the website that we removed the distractions from by using the Reader View in the corner. Now what we want to do is read this back. So we need to go into Settings. Then you need to go down to Accessibility and then go to Spoken Content. Now turn on Speak Screen and the Speech Controller. So we're going to turn on Show Controller, and you can see here in the corner there is a new menu. Now let's go back to the website in Safari. Now what we can do, we can either swipe 2 fingers from the top.
Jade Goody, son Bobby Brazier dedicates Strictly Come Dancing routine to Mum, 80.
Or we can use the controller to select the text that we want read. So let's choose the finger here, and then we can tap on the paragraph that we want read.
The EastEnders actor received a standing ovation on Saturday's show for his dance to This Woman's Work by Maxwell, with partner Diane Buswell.
We can also speed it up by tapping on this 1 times here, up to 2 times. We can also slow it down by half. To turn it off, go back into Settings and then turn off Show Controller under Accessibility, Spoken Content, Speak Controller, and then turn it off, and then it will disappear. In tomorrow's tip, we will look at how we can screenshot the website that you've chosen, annotate it, and then save it as a PDF.